Hey guys, it's Ross. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Ramos Gin Fizz. So there's a couple reasons I want to show you how to make this. One is that you probably can't get it right now because most cocktail bars are closed. Even if you could, you probably wouldn't want it because you wouldn't want to drink this out of a plastic cup. Half the fun of this drink is watching it get made. It's pretty intricate, it takes a while, it's really cool. Usually when someone orders one at the bar, someone else asks about it, they'll probably order one too. It's a lot of fun for the bartender. I used to work at a bar that had this on the menu, so I've made many of these, often while I was weeded, often during happy hour. We had bucket shuck oysters, 13 seats full, and people would order a Ramos Gin Fizz. I don't know why they would want a drink with egg white and heavy cream with their oysters, but it would happen. I also won a Ramos Gin Fizz competition in Philadelphia last year, so I am the current reigning champ. I'd also just like to share with you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years after making a couple hundred of them on how to make the best one possible. So for a Ramos, you're going to need gin. London dry gin is fine. Simple syrup, lemon juice, lime juice, heavy cream, egg white, and orange blossom water. So this is a pre-prohibition era drink. It's from New Orleans. It was invented around 1888 by Henry Charles Ramos, or Carl as his friends called him. There was already gin fizzes. There was already a silver fizz, which is a gin fizz with egg white, and there was already published a recipe for a cream fizz, which had heavy cream in it. But he was the first to put everything together and make a Ramos Gin Fizz. So Carl worked at a bar called the Imperial Cabinet Saloon in New Orleans in the late 1800s. It was super popular. The Ramos was the most popular drink of the day. It's said but by 1900 they were going through about 5,000 egg whites a week. So you need to shake this drink a whole lot to get the egg white and the heavy cream to emulsify. The bartenders, sometimes as many as 6 of them at a time, each had a bar back that would shake the Ramos for them, and that was pretty much their only job. During Mardi Gras in 1915, there were 35 barbacks on the schedule whose sole job just was to shake Ramos Gin Fizzes. It's a lot of work that goes into making one of these. So anyway, let's get started. So you want to start with your egg white first. That's so if it breaks and you get any yolk, you can just throw it out and start over, and you're not throwing out a whole bunch of gin, lime juice, and other ingredients. Now you want to add 1 ounce of heavy cream. I like to start with the heavy cream so I can use simple syrup and the citrus to rinse out the jigger. You can add 1 ounce of simple syrup and a 1/2 ounce each of lemon and lime juice. Now 2 full ounces of gin. And then just 2 to 3 drops of orange blossom water. This will give it a nice floral aroma. It'll help cover up some of the egg white smell. But if you use any more than that, it'll become like real floral, real medicinal, and kind of perfumey. It's not pleasant. The other trick that I found is you just want to add 1 1x1 cube to your drink. So you don't have to dry shake this. You don't want to shake it with ice and then strain it because you won't get as good as a froth. Just 1 cube and then shake it until it's gone. It takes about a full minute for it to dissolve. This is really fun with a packed bar in the middle of happy hour. All right, that's pretty much gone. The next trick is add your club soda directly to your glass. You want to go a little under 1/4 of the way up. You can add more later if you need it. And then you don't need a strainer, you're just gonna dump pour directly on top of your club soda. And pour until you're about 90% of the way to the top, and then just stop. You wanna let this set up for about 30 seconds to a minute. It's gonna form a solid foam. I'm out of breath. It's been about 2 years since I had to make one of these. You want to let it rest for about 30 seconds to a minute. It'll form a solid head that'll rise up when you add the rest of the drink to it. I'm gonna need a little more club soda in here. I'm gonna add it directly to the tin. That'll help rinse everything out, so you're not leaving anything behind. And if you add your club soda directly on top of this, it's just gonna ruin the froth that you just worked so hard to create. So after this has been able to set up for about a minute, you wanna take the rest of the drink, pour it directly in the center, and pour it with a little bit of speed, enough that it'll break the top of the meringue, get it to the bottom while letting the foam rise up to the top. I'm gonna need a little more club soda for this one. Again, just add it to your shaker tin. There we go. And then you can top it off. One more drop of orange blossom water. Now the true test to see if this is done well, you should be able to lay a straw flatways across the top and it shouldn't sink into the foam, but this is a straw-free household, so I won't be able to do that. This is the at-home test when you don't have a straw. A Sharpie can sit on top. I lied, I have some bamboo straws and they do pass the test. Fuck! Alright, let's see. It's pretty good. You would never think there's heavy cream and egg white in here. It kind of tastes like a orangey gin milkshake. But I'm never gonna order one. I don't know what to do with my hands. Now I don't know what to do. Does this look fine? Hey guys, it's Ross. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Ramos Gin Fizz. I'm fine. Fuck. 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 Fuck this. What is the point of this? Alright, fucking cut it. No. Fuck. Fuck. Carl? Fuck. Did I fuck it up that time? Ugh. Well, that was fucking terrible.